As a research institution, we are looking for some truth or some knowledge that is hidden in data.
ICM is a very unique kind of research centers. It's very closely associated with the University of Warsaw.
ICM is different to its competitors because we have the best experts in the fields we are working on, and we have the data.
ICM is a magnificent place where two worlds meet, the world of technology and the world of science. So it's both high-performance computing center and a research center that is using applied mathematics and ICT technologies to solve important problems of science and society.
Data durability is very important for ICM. We keep valuable data which we don't want to lose.
Current day, it's impossible to do research without data. And that goes from social science, journalism, to so-called hard sciences, physics or chemistry, and especially experimental sciences where you have to gather data.
It needs a lot of space, it needs a lot of good technology to store it.
Speed is very important for accessing the data in the projects we're involved with, because we want to share the data with the international scientific community, which means we need to put it online and make it easy accessible for the people. So durability is crucial here because we don't want to lose the data, and long-term retention is even more important because we want many years for people to do successful projects with the data. So this is very important aspects of our work.
All this data has to be stored, mixed together and combined together. To store it's pretty simple. To look into them is much more difficult.
ICM built a new data center in Białęka because our old data center could not meet exponentially expanding requirements for data storage and for computation.
Previously we used mostly tape-based storage, but also from time to time also hard drive arrays. But because the simulations are growing bigger and are more challenging, this no longer suits our needs. So that's why we're moving toward to the easy accessible, object-oriented storage.
And here came ActiveScale, which allowed us to safely keep data for a long time and also easily access them online. We transferred from previous solution to ActiveScale more than petabyte of data and more than 20 million of objects. Migration of data from previous solution to ActiveScale was pretty seamless. Western Digital helped us a lot with these tasks, and we performed it within a week or so.
Previously, sometimes we collect data for weeks. Now we have in some hours. With ActiveScale, we have speed access to our data.
Some people think that object storage is slow, but actually it is not. I would advise anybody who thinks about larger storage to think seriously about object storage.
As you see by the scale of this infrastructure, the data center, it is prepared for long-term service over 30-40 years and for very large expansion. And this reflects the incredible acceleration of the technology in that space, and not only general IT, but especially computational sciences and high-performance computing.
This is something we are really excited about because so far we faced many bottlenecks that prevented us with reaching the full potential. We produced big data sets, but it was very hard to share with the community. And this is where we really want to deliver the data to not only the scientists locally, but also worldwide. So active scaling and object-oriented storage that Western Digital provides is great for our purposes because now we can finally reach the full potential of the data and make this project truly international.